The quality of the stencil printing process has a huge impact on the yield and efficiency of SMT lines. Stable and efficient printing processes require application and process-specific solutions. ASM is the world's only equipment manufacturer that offers electronics producers a comprehensive portfolio ranging from stencils to process support products. PSP products from ASM don't just optimize operations on ASM's own printing platforms, but on equipment from other manufacturers as well. The benefit for electronics manufacturers: a single point of contact for all consumables.
ASM Consumables are the base to significantly improve the quality, the yield and the throughput of your printing process to enable the SMT Smart Factory.
One example of the seamless support that PSP solutions from ASM provide for printing is the cleaning process. High-quality DEC spatulas are light, break-resistant and durable. The broad blade makes for efficient cleaning, and the material protects sensitive stencil surfaces. The spatula's color coding makes it easy to differentiate them when using different types of solder pastes. DEC pre-moistened wipes make it easy to clean screens and stencils quickly and thoroughly. Our super clean, dry DEC wipes made of non-woven fabric or polyester deliver maximum cleaning performance and protect your stencils from contamination. Whether for SMT or cleanroom applications, our DEC Precision Swabs are a high-quality yet economical detailing solution. And since the tips of the swabs are fused to the handles, even cleaning leftovers of adhesives is trouble-free. Perfectly cleaned stencils guarantee maximum yields. The importance of cleanliness applies particularly to the underside of stencils. ASM guarantees the highest quality in this respect, also through DEC Eco Rolls with a unique ID to guarantee traceability. The process of replacing DEC Eco Rolls is easy, quick and clean. The special high-tech structure of our DEC Eco fabric ensures the quick and efficient pickup of contaminants or thorough cleaning without streaks. DEC Eco Rolls speed up the cleaning process and raise the quality and productivity of your printing in general, even for fine-pitch applications. The automatic paste dispenser ensures even paste application without manual assists. Thanks to our special DEC solder paste nozzles, the cartridges are always ready to be used without the risk of contamination, as with classic reusable nozzles. DEC Pro and DEC Pro XF provide the icing on the cake. They are safer, cleaner and more environmentally friendly than IPA cleaners or traditional solvent-based cleaners. Both single-phase cleaners eliminate the risk for separation that's typical for dual-phase cleaners. Replacing the canisters is quick and easy.
Our wide process support products portfolio helps operators and process engineers to improve the yield and quality of the printing process for all major printer manufacturers, not only for ASM.